Hello friends, I'm Sanit Sagar. This is my new channel. I'm going to teach you Microsoft Excel. This is a comprehensive tutorial on Microsoft Excel. And firstly, we are going to focus on the interface. Whenever you start working on Microsoft Excel, firstly we should know the interface of Microsoft Excel. Which option is where and where it is located. We should know, and we should know the basic things before you start learning anything. So firstly I'm gonna tell like A, B, C, D. These are considered as columns. These are the columns. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are considered as rows. Okay. They are considered as rows. And the rectangular one, which is representing a cell. This is known as cell. The rectangular one is known as cell. And you can see here E6. This is the address of the cell. This is the address of this cell. This is the address of this cell, C6. C column and third row. D column and sixth row. This is the thing. And we have n number of sheets we can have. But when you want to know how big the spreadsheet is, and you can go control and down arrow. Control and down arrow. You can see how many rows are there. And if you want to see the columns, how many columns are there in the spreadsheet, control and right arrow, XFT. They are up to XFT. And if you want to go to the first cell, control and home. This is the thing. And whenever you want to name the sheet, click on the right click on the sheet and you can write rename like monthly budget of 2017 to remember by which sheet has which data. And coming to the upper interface, you can see like home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review and view. First, coming to the home, you will have cut, copy, format pane. You will have the font, the size, font type, bold, italic. You can color, you can write the fill color and you will have a font color. And the other alignments over here, and numbers and styles, cells and everything you'll get to know in the future classes, the future videos. You'll get to know what exactly these all things. And insert, you can insert the pictures, you can insert a table, you can insert a column, line, pie, bar, everything you can insert. And coming to page layout, these are like color, font. You can focus on themes, and you can keep which width, length, scale of the fit. And and one more thing, formulas. Which formula you wanna do, like you want to total, you have to go with the sum, average, count, number, max. You can do it from here. So there is a shortcut. There is a shortcut like drop down arrow. There's a drop down arrow here. So whenever you want to take a quick print, you can go here. Just a quick print, you'll get a small icon over here. Whenever you want to take a print, just click on here. You'll directly take a print on that. So there's what. And like going here and printing, these are 3 step one. Go to file, print and quick print. This is the lengthiest step. For that we can go here. To save, we can save here. You can send through email to someone else, you can send through fax. And you want to open some other files, you can open from here. So you can save the file as control S. These are the basic things you can undo.